Namaste everyone. I am Dr. Sangeeta Gautam and this is MSc second semester class of molecular orbital theory. In previous class, I tell you about the molecular orbital diagrams of homonuclear diatomic molecules. What is the difference between lower atomic number diatomic molecules and higher atomic number molecules. Now, in this class, we take an example to understand these molecular orbital theory or molecular orbital diagram of any diatomic molecule. Like, we take an example of O2. You can see the diagram of molecular orbital diagram of O2 in this picture. Oxygen molecule has 16 electrons in all, which each oxygen atom has contribute 8 electrons. You can see this is the atomic orbital of one oxygen and this is the atomic orbitals of second oxygen, and each oxygen atom has 8 electrons, 1s, 2s and 2p. 2p has 4 electrons. So this is the molecular orbital, molecular orbitals of O2 by joining of these atomic orbitals. So first I tell you about the electronic configuration of O2. In 1s oxygen combined with other 1s of second oxygen and forms bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbitals which are cancelled out to each other. Sigma 1s bonding and sigma star 1s anti-bonding has 2 electrons. In 2s orbitals of one oxygen atom combined with 2s orbital atomic orbital of other oxygen atom and forms likewise sigma bonding 2s and sigma star 2s, and each bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital has 2 electrons because these have total 4 electrons, 2 in bonding and other 2 in anti-bonding. Now we discuss 2p orbitals. Each oxygen atom has 4 electrons in 2p orbitals like this. So these are the molecular orbitals. As discussed here, the sigma b is lower than pi bonding in oxygen atom. So total 8 electrons are there, 4 and 4 plus 8. So out of 8, 6 electron goes in bonding molecular orbitals and rest 2 goes in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Each pi anti-bonding orbital has 1 electrons according to above principle. So the finally electronic configuration of oxygen atom is kk, because first orbital can represent by k orbital. So kk you can write here for 1s orbital is kk. Sigma b 2s 2 electrons, sigma star 2s 2 electrons, sigma b 2pz 2 electrons, sigma b 2px is equals to pi b 2px, pi b 2py has 2 electrons, and pi star 2px 1 and pi star 2py 1. This is the electronic configuration of O2. Now next parameter we discuss in previous class is bond order. The formula of bond order is 1/2 number of electrons in bonding and minus number of electrons in anti-bonding. So here we calculate that in bonding orbitals 2, 2 and 6 means total there are 8 electrons, 6, 2, 8 and 2 therefore 1s 8 or 10 electrons in bonding orbitals, and anti-bonding orbitals only 2 electrons are there. So if we apply this formula, 1 by 2 10 minus 2, it will be, bond order will be 2. It has, so it has double bond, it has double bond. Now stability, since the bond order of O2 molecule is 2, therefore the O2 molecule is quite stable. It is confirmed by its high dissociation energy. Next parameter is magnetic property. There are 2 unpaired electrons in molecular orbitals, so this is paramagnetic in nature, and it is confirmed by experiments. So hope you understand this molecular orbital diagram of O2 molecule. If you have any query, you can comment here. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.